Right, that was a bit of a mess getting here to Nismo. So what happened was, I was stuck in the Tokyo metro area, right? And I was going around in circles because that's what Google was telling me to do. Tell you one thing, driving around Tokyo metro, it's a beast. I was told to not go on the ETC tolls, but Google sent me there, and next thing you know, I passed through 5 ETCs. I don't see any cash ETCs at all, but look, long story short, I came down here to Yokohama. The Nismo plant is right beside the Nissan production plant as well, or one of it. Just look at this. That's that new facelift one as well, yeah. This place is absolutely mad, yeah. There's a championship winning car right behind me over there. Walk out reception. Engines on display. Walk a bit further out. More engines on display. Another famous car just hanging up on the wall. More championship winning cars in the back, but look at this. Customer cars being worked on behind glass, so you can see everything. I swear to God, I know I'm going to be hit with a big bill driving down here, but it's been worth it, I can't lie. Another thing off the bucket list. Another championship winning car. Just mad. I'm surprised though that there's no I'm surprised that there's no 350Zs. 3 Skylines. No 350Zs. At the back, more engines. These two here are the V engines. The Skylines engine and the 350Z engine. Another championship winning car, R34. Something out of the ordinary. But yeah, like, look at this. We don't get them over back in Ireland. But I know that America and England do, but it's real heavy though. 1700 kg. That's mad. 25 grand. 41 grand. 58 grand. These engines are worth more than new cars. That's mad. So yeah, that's it. That's a Nismo done. There's a brochure in there that lets you go into Nissan as well, but to be honest with you, I don't have the time for that. I had to bounce, to be honest, beat the traffic. Look, it is what it is. Another thing off the bucket list. Definitely worth a visit, even if you don't like cars.